Hey everybody, my name is Strong. I am 20 years old. I like traveling. Now I'm trying solo hiking, seeing the beautiful views in the mountains. Resting on the riverbank and enjoying lunch while listening to the melodious flow of water. As evening approached, I set up a tent to rest. Make a campfire and brew warm coffee while looking at the stars in the sky. In the morning I took the time to stretch my body and prepare to go home. That's all my story. See you again and have fun.